Hi guys, I'm just like showing you guys my phone is like stuck and it's like 13 Pro Max, but you see it's nothing working. I'm just like pushing the button, everything is not working. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm showing you a trick that is working on frozen and stacking phone that's not working. So I'm doing that, pushing this up and one time up, one time down, and then pushing the power button. You have to just wait and then shut down, and you have to just like wait until the Apple logo come, and then that's it. Thank you for watching, and thanks for giving me comments and subscribing me. Thanks a lot. Yep, it's working now.